fell on my ass. That hurt, you know.
A bony ass.
Yeah.
Of course it hurt.
Chaboni.
Okay. Right.
You sound like a narrator. What do you say? You got mad?
I
No,
wasn't
he said, I guess
there.
his brother found something. He's gonna call me back. That hurt. Give me a massage.
I'll crack your back.
Oh hell yeah. Oh, Vicky, that punk cracked my back up.
Who?
It's not. He picked me up to hug me and he squeezed me and pulled me to the side. Fuck, it hurt. Okay, come on.
Put your hands to the side.
It is on the side.
On the side.
No, because then my boobs hurt.
But then it's not gonna feel better.
But like this, I'm holding out my boobs.
Just put it. Put them to the side.
No, don't crack it that bad. I want a massage, bitch. No, Jocy.
Stop. It's gonna feel good.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah.
Oh, Jocy.
Don't fart.
What is going on?
Hey, go.
You're
Wait.
It's
It's gonna hurt.
No, it's not.
She already cracked some of it.
Crack like half of it.
You look at
Oh, that hurt.
you look like a mental person.
Ow.
Oh god.
You're ticklish.
Oh, my boobs hurt now.
I sound retarded.
You heard it
I
crack?
sound retarded.
Yeah, I said I sound
I
retarded.
sound retarded. Look, I'm the one that got my butt cracked up.
That felt good.
No,
Tell me, no, watch, stand up and go like this. It feels good.
Can you crack my back?
Mhm.
Oh. So I don't know if people can crack their neck. Wait, hold on. Let her crack my back.
Are you videotaping still?
Yeah. You don't have to do that. Your phone says.
No, put them to the side.
Ow. Put them what?
Yeah, to the side.
You tickled.
Oh my god.
Oh hell no.
Vicky, let me crack your back. Vicky! Vicky! Wow. Let me crack your back. Okay, come on, let's see if it's yours was nasty. Yeah.
Stop. Oh, that felt good though. You heard it?
Vicky, let me crack your back.
I don't know. I don't like that.
It's so good.
Oh,
I
no,
did it to
please.
them. Come on, stop being a butt crack. Blend with the shit that's around you.